Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up, we have Fireball by Chief Witch. In their code, we can see when I receive blocks, repeat blocks, and broadcast blocks. Dodge the fireballs and don't get burned. Next we have Fighting Game by the Swordsman. Looking at the Swordsman's code, we can see some repeat blocks, start physics blocks, point and direction blocks, and set rotation style blocks too. Battle it out with the CPU and don't forget to use your sword. Next we have Asteroids by SadCow24. In their code, we see when I receive blocks, broadcast blocks, and switch to costume blocks. Save the Earth by getting rid of the asteroids. Last but not least, we have Tiles by Valid Circuit. In this cool text coding project, you have to dodge all the tiles. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time!